Hi, I'm Peter Vasey. I'm Head of Pre-Sales at Modality Systems. One of the questions that we still frequently get asked is what exactly is Cloud PBX? Cloud PBX, in essence, is moving your PBX functionality away from your traditional on-premise PBX up into Skype for Business Online as part of the Office 365 suite. Along with core functionality, Skype for Business also provides you the ability to have PSTN calling, which is inbound and outbound connectivity to the public phone network. Skype for Business Online delivers your core functionality, such as IM, presence, and the ability to content share and collaborate. But in addition to this, it gives you the ability to add telephony functionality. So this can be delivered in a couple of ways. You can either choose to take Microsoft as your carrier, and this can be achieved either by porting numbers from your existing telephony range up to Microsoft, or you can purchase new numbers directly from Microsoft. The packages that are available are based around domestic and mobile, or international. If you require domestic, mobile and international, you have both packages. Minutes that are based within a particular region, so for example within the UK, are purchased per user and pooled centrally. So if you have 200 users who are using UK PSTN calling, their minutes will be pooled and shared out amongst the usage. The other way to achieve voice functionality within Skype for Business Online is to have the voice breaking out locally, so not through Microsoft. And this can be either through your existing telco, your on-premise PBX and SIP trunk, and it requires a couple of things. So the first way of achieving it is to deploy a Cloud Connector edition. This is a free set of virtual machines that will provide connectivity from an on-premise gateway to the Skype for Business Online platform. The other way of achieving it is if you already have an existing Skype for Business infrastructure on-premise or a Link 2013 infrastructure. In essence, what happens here is we create a hybrid between the on-premise infrastructure and the Skype for Business Online service. We then use that existing Skype for Business on-premise infrastructure to deliver the voice locally out through whoever your carrier may be. One thing to remember, and is quite often overlooked, is that Skype for Business Cloud PBX functionality is a small chunk of what Skype for Business can actually do. Skype for Business is a full unified communications and collaborations tool, and when combined with the rest of the Office 365 suite, provides a very powerful tool set for your organisation. Not only do we provide instant messaging and presence throughout the organisation so you can see where people are available, but it's also a peer-to-peer communication and collaboration tool. It's a multi-party communication and collaboration tool. And it's a collaboration and communications tool for internal and external organisations. Not only that, if you're using Office 365, you have the ability to have Skype for Business broadcast meetings, which allows you to provide broadcasts to up to about 10,000 people. Depending on your user case, you need to look at Skype for Business as not just telephony. When you look at it, for certain organisations that we've done work with, some have been using it as a way to cut down on travel expenses, others have used it as a way to communicate more efficiently with their partner organisations. In the case of the travel expenses, if you take all of the information about who's using Skype for Business and how they're using Skype for Business, or even if they're using Skype for Business, and you compare that with information that's being provided by the travel expenses from the finance team, you can extract both of those pieces of information and compare them through Power BI to get a good picture of who's really using Skype for Business to the best of their ability. The ability to federate with another organisation really means the ability to treat their users in the same way that you treat your internal users. There's no hard and fast rule, but one of the trends we're seeing quite strongly in the market is that people are delivering voice services potentially through their existing ISDN or SIP carrier, and moving users gradually up to the Skype for Business platform. This is particularly useful for information workers who require the ability to just dial in and dial out, and it is resulting in a far smaller footprint of Skype for Business infrastructure on-prem.